our channel Designed by Misha. Imagine you just have a beautiful wardrobe which is ruined by warping or water damage. It will be frustrating, right? But what if there was a secret weapon to build furniture that lasts? But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. आज मैं रिवील करने वाली हूँ the hero of construction industry, HDHMR board. ये जो है ना, they are taking the furniture world by storm and for good reason. We will also crack the code on what makes them so special. But that's not all. We are not just taking theory here. I'm going to show you exactly how to transform these wonderful boards into stunning custom-made wardrobe. That you will definitely gonna love it. So grab a snack, settle in, and get ready to unlock the secret of HDHMR board. Let's build something amazing together. सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं what exactly HDHMR boards are. It's actually stand for high density, high moisture resistant board. It's a type of an engineering wood product that is known for its durability and versatility. Basically ये sheet material जो है ना, it's made from compressed wood fiber and special adhesive. And this process creates a strong, stable and dense board which is perfect for various applications. और आपने कई बार सुना होगा HDHMR बोर्ड को लोग बोलते हैं हरा बोर्ड या ग्रीन बोर्ड. दिस इज एक्चुअली अ ट्रेड नेम यूज्ड बाय सम मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, बट इट इज नॉट यूनिवर्सल टर्म. दिस HDHMR बोर्ड विद where you get both side lamination, and these are actually added to the wardrobe, providing organization and structure to the interior space. They are becoming very popular and उसके काफी सारे रीजन हैं. सबसे पहला रीजन है ड्यूरेबिलिटी एंड स्ट्रेंथ. सो HDHMR boards are known for their long lasting performance. They can handle heavy loads, resist wear and tear, making them ideal for furnitures, wall. You can use it even on the flooring. It has a superior moisture resistant property. Unlike any traditional plywood, HDHMR board excel in humid environment, like you can use it in bathrooms and kitchen, and they won't warp or swell. They are very eco-friendly because they are made from recycled wood waste and sustainable materials, making them an environmental friendly choice. Versatility की बात की जाए तो these boards come in various thicknesses, colors and style, which allowing us for a wide range of applications in construction, furniture making, even in our DIY projects. और मुझे पर्सनली अच्छा लगता है इसका स्मूथ सरफेस बिकॉज दीज आर परफेक्ट फॉर पेंटिंग, लैमिनेटिंग और अप्लाइंग विनियर्स फॉर अ पॉलिश्ड लुक. तो आपको जिन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए बिफोर बाइंग this product is that you have to choose the board based on your project need. You have to consider moisture resistant and load bearing capacity. You have to even think about the thickness and size you want it, because you have to select the right thickness and size for specific project requirement. Aesthetics की बात करूँ तो you have to think about the desired look you want for your particular product and finish that complement your design. You can opt for reliable suppliers who offer high quality board with warranties. HDHMR board जो है ना वो perfect है for building strong durable furniture like bookshelves, cabinets, tables and even chairs. तो आप कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग में इसको यूज कर सकते हो फॉर वॉल पैनलिंग. यू कैन यूज इट इन द सीलिंग. यू कैन इवन यूज इट टू मेक अ डेकोरेटिव मोल्डिंग और इवन फॉर योर DIY प्रोजेक्ट्स. अगर मैं इसकी कॉस्ट की बात करूं तो वो डिपेंड करेगा ऑन द थिकनेस ऑफ द बोर्ड. मान लीजिए कि कॉस्ट ऑफ HDHMR बोर्ड जो है वो 8x4 की आपकी शीट होगी, 8x4 की, बट उसकी जो थिकनेस होगी लाइक 5 mm की थिकनेस है तो 800 रुपीज कॉस्ट होगा. 8 mm की थिकनेस है तो 1100 अप्रॉक्स होगा. 12 mm की है तो 1600 अप्रोक्सीमेटली आपको पड़ेगा, एंड सो ऑन. सो यू कैन चेक योर लोकल डीलर. सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ द HDHMR बोर्ड कीप्स rising with the increase of thickness. So now let me walk you through the step-by-step process of crafting a sturdy and stylish wardrobe using HDHMR board. So let's get started. So we normally begin by discussing the wardrobe design, considering factors like size, layout and storage need. फिर हमारा सेकंड स्टेप रहता है मटेरियल सिलेक्शन, जो हम ऑलरेडी सोच चुके थे कि HDHMR बोर्ड में ही बनाएंगे फॉर इट्स ड्यूरेबिलिटी एंड मॉइस्चर रेजिस्टेंट, ensuring the wardrobe will last for years to come. Measuring और cutting एक important process होता है because we have to use precise measurement, and the carpenter marks and cut the HDHMR board to size, ensuring each piece fits together seamlessly. और जो सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे लगी ना, फॉर फ्रेम आप बना लेते हो आप इससे, सो प्रोवाइडिंग एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड स्ट्रक्चर टू द इंटीरियर स्पेस, जो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा ऑप्शन लगा because it saves lot of time. You don't have to invest lot of time in putting laminate inside your wardrobe. Already get the sheet, you just have to cut it and paste it. अगर मैं डोर इंस्टॉलेशन की बात करूँ तो फॉर डोर के लिए हमने HDHMR का यूज नहीं किया. वी हैव यूज्ड दिस ब्लॉक बोर्ड. यू कैन इंस्टॉल दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ द hinges, ensuring they open and close smoothly. Okay, for कोई भी any exposed edges are sanded down for a smooth finish, and any necessary adjustments are made to ensure the wardrobe is sturdy and level. And for a sleek finished look, we have to consider using edge bending tape to cover the raw edges of the board. For finish work, we are using laminate. तो बहुत अच्छी दिख रही है ये wardrobe, and you can choose a color or finish that complements your bedroom decor. वार्डरोब को आप पेंट भी कर सकते हो, लैमिनेट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज उसका अपीयरेंस बढ़ जाता है, एंड यू कैन प्रोटेक्ट इट फ्रॉम वियर एंड टियर. वी आर यूजिंग लैमिनेट फॉर द फाइनल फिनिश. Last में we have to inspect the wardrobe for any imperfection or structural issues, and then we have to make final adjustment as needed. तो आए नहीं रहा लेवल में, तो ये खराब है, लेवल खराब है, तो लेके क्यों घूम रहे हो? तो लेके क्यों घूम रहे हो? झोले में खराब हो गया है. Lastly, hardwares will be added like handles and drawer pulls, and these finishing touches personalize your creation and make it truly functional. There it is, a stunning and functional HDHMR wardrobe which is handcrafted by our expert carpenters. It showcases the beauty and functionality of this versatile material within budget. If you have any questions about HDHMR board or want to share your project ideas, you can leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more informative content on construction materials and interior design. Until next time, take care and goodbye.